Artificial intelligence is no longer something that exists only in research labs or futuristic movies. It's part of our everyday lives, often in ways we don't even notice. From the apps we use to communicate, to the shows we watch, to the cars we drive, AI is quietly shaping our routines and decisions. Tools like Google Translate or Deeply use AI to break down language barriers. They don't just swap words from one language to another, they analyze context, grammar, and meaning to produce natural translations. Imagine traveling abroad and pointing your phone camera at a street sign. The app instantly translates it into your language. Or speaking into your phone and hearing your words played back in another language. Students use these apps to study foreign languages, businesses rely on them to communicate with global partners, and casual users benefit when reading menus or websites in unfamiliar languages. Voice assistants are another everyday example. Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant are AI systems designed to understand and respond to human speech. They use speech recognition to convert spoken words into text, then natural language processing to figure out what you mean, and finally generate a response or perform an action. You can ask Alexa to play music, tell Siri to set a reminder, or ask Google Assistant about the weather. Voice assistants make technology more accessible. For people with disabilities, speaking commands can be easier than typing. For busy households, they save time by controlling smart devices hands-free. They become digital companions, helping us manage schedules, control our homes, and access information instantly. Recommendation systems are another place where AI shows up. These are the algorithms behind platforms like Netflix, YouTube, Spotify, and Amazon. They analyze your past behavior, what you watched, listened to, or bought, and compare it with patterns from millions of other users. Then they suggest content or products you're likely to enjoy. Netflix recommends shows based on your viewing history. Spotify creates playlists tailored to your taste. Amazon suggests products you might need next. These systems save time and make experiences more personalized. Instead of scrolling endlessly, you get curated suggestions that match your interests. Of course, recommendation systems also raise questions about echo chambers and privacy. But when used responsibly, they make digital platforms more engaging and useful. Self-driving cars are another powerful example of AI in action. While they're still developing, AI is already playing a big role in modern vehicles. Self-driving cars use sensors, cameras, and AI algorithms to perceive their surroundings. They detect lanes, traffic signs, pedestrians, and other vehicles. Then they make decisions in real time, when to accelerate, brake, or change lanes. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are testing autonomous driving systems. Even cars that aren't fully self-driving use AI for features like lane-keeping assistance, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. The goal is safer roads, fewer accidents, and more efficient transportation. For people who can't drive, autonomous vehicles could provide independence. Self-driving technology is still evolving, but it shows how AI could transform mobility in the near future. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a tool that's reshaping everyday experiences. It helps us communicate across languages, makes technology more accessible, personalizes entertainment, and even redefines transportation. By understanding how AI works in daily life, we can appreciate its benefits, and also think critically about its challenges, like privacy, bias, and safety. Artificial intelligence is everywhere, in our phones, our homes, our cars, and our favorite apps. Translation tools connect us across cultures. Voice assistants make technology easier to use. Recommendation systems personalize our digital experiences. And self-driving cars point to a future of safer, smarter travel. AI in everyday life is not science fiction, it's reality. And as it continues to evolve, it will keep shaping the way we live, work, and connect with the world. The future of AI is not just about faster computers or smarter apps, it's about entirely new ways of interacting with machines, learning, working, and even governing society. Several trends stand out that will define the next chapter of AI: multimodal systems, robotics, AI in education, and the growing need for regulation. Most AI systems specialized in one type of input, like text or images. But multimodal AI can understand and generate across multiple formats at once. These systems combine vision, language, and even audio, creating richer and more natural interactions. AI won't just answer questions, it will explain concepts visually, summarize documents with charts, or even help design creative projects by blending text, images, and sound. Multimodal AI is moving us closer to machines that communicate in the same diverse ways humans do. Robotics is another area where AI is set to make a huge impact. Robots powered by advanced AI are becoming more capable of navigating complex environments, learning from experience, and collaborating with humans. In factories, robots already handle repetitive tasks, but future robots will adapt to changing conditions and work alongside people more flexibly. In healthcare, robotic assistants could help surgeons with precision tasks or support elderly patients with daily needs. We may even see household robots that can cook, clean, or provide companionship. The combination of AI and robotics is pushing machines beyond simple automation into roles that require judgment, adaptability, and even empathy. Education is also being transformed by AI. Personalized learning systems can analyze how a student learns, identify strengths and weaknesses, and adapt lessons to fit their needs. AI can provide tailored support, making education more effective and accessible. Imagine a classroom where every student has a digital tutor that explains concepts in different ways until they truly understand. AI can also help teachers by automating grading, tracking progress, and suggesting resources. For students in remote areas or with limited access to schools, AI-powered platforms can open doors to knowledge that were previously closed. The future of AI in education is about democratizing learning and giving every student the chance to succeed, regardless of where they live or what resources they have. AI is powerful, but it also raises serious questions about privacy, fairness, and accountability. Who is responsible if an AI system makes a harmful decision? How do we ensure that algorithms don't reinforce bias or spread misinformation? Governments and organizations around the world are beginning to draft rules to guide AI development and use. Regulation will need to balance innovation with safety, encouraging progress while protecting people from risks. This could mean standards for transparency, requirements for testing AI systems before deployment, and clear guidelines for ethical use. The future of AI will depend not only on technology but also on the frameworks we build to govern it responsibly. AI is moving from being a tool we use to being a partner we collaborate with. Multimodal systems will make communication with machines more natural. Robotics will bring AI into the physical world in ways that directly affect our daily lives. AI in education will change how we learn and teach, making knowledge more accessible. Regulation will ensure that this powerful technology is used responsibly and fairly. The future of AI is inspiring because it points to a world where machines help us solve problems, expand creativity, and improve quality of life. But it also challenges us to think carefully about ethics, jobs, and human values. AI will replace certain roles, but it will also create new opportunities. Will AI make mistakes? Certainly, which is why oversight and accountability are essential. Artificial intelligence is evolving into something more than just software. It is becoming a collaborator, a teacher, a worker, and a decision maker. The future will be defined by how we integrate these systems into society, how we regulate them, and how we use them to enhance human potential. AI is not just about what machines can do, it's about what humans and machines can achieve together. Future will show us whether we can harness this technology to build a smarter, fairer, and more creative world.
If you find this video exciting, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you in the next AI for Beginners educational video.